Lesson 1 of the Excel spreadsheet. Today I want to just give a very basic introduction to how the spreadsheet can be used for adding a column of numbers. So what I want to do is create a column over here on the left hand side of numbers of let's say some fruits and vegetables that we picked up at the market. So we're going to start with apples. Now when I get to some longer names like cauliflower, it will be apparent that that long name won't fit into the column as it's currently configured. So let's widen the column. So I'm going up here to click on the A, and that, as you can see, highlights the column. Now I go over here to Format and Column Width. I'm going to make this column 25 units wide. And as you can see, that widens the column over here. Now let's put some more names in here. Let's put broccoli, and let's put strawberries, and how about lettuce, and grapes, and zucchini. Is that how you spell zucchini? Let's try an H in there. That looks better. All right. And let's see, what else could we buy? How about cherries? All right, that's enough. Now, let's go over here to column B and put some dollar amounts in that we spent on each of these fruits and vegetables. So let's start with $3.45 for the apples. And broccoli, $2.90. Strawberries, $4.55. Lettuce, $1.95. Grapes, $3.10. Zucchini, $2.25. And cherries, let's do cherries at $2.55. All right, now you'll notice that what we have here is dollar amounts, but these don't look like dollars because we don't have two decimal places and we don't have a dollar sign in front. So let's see if we can fix that. Going over here to, first of all, I'm going to highlight these numbers. Then I'm going over here to Format, down here to Format Cells. Currency is what I want, currency being money. And as you can see, now we have a dollar sign as a symbol. There are other symbols we could have chosen. Two decimal places. And if I had any negative numbers, I'd like them to appear in parentheses in red. So I'll highlight that. Now we'll click OK, and as you can see, we have two decimal places and we have dollar signs. Now the next step is let's make a total. So here's where Excel excels, so to speak. What I'm going to do is down in this box, I'm going to say equals, equals capital letters SUM, parentheses. Now, I simply highlight the numbers, dragging across them, that I want to include in my total. I put in a close the parentheses, and when I hit enter, there's my total. All right. Couple other things that we might look at here. Suppose you had remembered a couple other items and you wanted to add two more rows in here. I would highlight two rows, and then I would go here to Format, to Insert over here, and I would insert sheet rows, and I would get two more rows. Now I don't happen to want those right now, so let's go back and delete sheet rows, the ones I highlighted. All right, now suppose I wanted a column in here, let's say, for the number of each item that I had purchased, like 3 apples and 5 heads of broccoli, etc. So I want to insert a column. So I click on the one to the right, I go over here to Insert, and it says Insert Sheet Columns. There's my column. Now, I would rather it not be that wide because it made it the width of this one. So I go over here to Format, Column Width. I was at 25, I'd like to go to 8, and hit OK, and that shrinks it so that I can now put some numbers in here. That's enough for this lesson. So we will continue this in a series of small chunks so that we can get you familiar with some of the key features of Excel. Thank you.